Welcome to the second stage of this course, which is showing the layout in Photoshop. This stage begins with the preparation of the base map on which the display process will be built. The base map differs in this stage from the previous stage in that it does not contain bands and curbs, intervals between tiling interconnected with each other and between them and the softscape elements. Or clearly, it is that they are composed of single lines, with the exception of level separators to clarify these differences. After completing redrawing and refining the fonts, we convert the base map to PDF format in order to enter it into the Photoshop program. and try to make it at an appropriate drawing scale relative to the size of the paper on which it will be placed, and adjust the characteristics of the lines to be clear and ensured that there are no problems in the final appearance of the base map. Then we save it in PDF format and then move to the Photoshop program next.